Premium accommodation and potent powertrains testify to this model's dominance. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine.
Sharp character lines combine with a wide stance to create an aggressive yet elegant shape. Once inside, the attention to safety and security is obvious. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning.
Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. The StabiliTrak electronic stability control system is one of the advanced technologies developed to help detect and minimize skids.
The 2013 GMC Sierra 3500 HD, delivering style and power in a single package.